This video's to teach you about how to do scent enrichment. So scent enrichment in the shelter is extremely important for our animals, especially our dogs. A large portion of the dog's brain is dedicated to their olfactory system. So when we stimulate the dog's sense of smell, it can actually have a nice calming effect for them. And one of the easiest ways that anybody in the shelter can participate in doing that and calming our dogs down is through scent enrichment. So we have here in our eval room, we do have our scent enrichment board here that lists the days of the week. And then in the morning, our scent, and in the afternoon, our scent. Now, if we're ever out of a scent, you can substitute at will, no problem. It's much better to do it than to not. Then over here, we just have our documentation board. So it's Monday, we're gonna do coconut. So what I'll do is I'll just check mark off that I'm doing it for the PM. You can put the time, you can put your initials. Don't really care what you put there as long as you document it. Then up here, we do have a bunch of different enrichment information, but for our scents, here's some reminders that we really only want to use the scents in the dog areas because cats are extremely sensitive and many of the essential oils can actually be toxic to them. And so next up is, where do you get the scent? So over here in our scent bin, we have a bunch of the spray bottles, and then we also have the more concentrated scents. If you do need to fill up a spray bottle, it's about 3 drops to one of these bottles. All we're looking for is a very light scent. We're not looking for a huge overpowering scent. Dogs can smell much better than us, so we're just looking for a little light scent to help calm and relax them. So we're gonna do our coconut. Now I'm gonna show you the 3 different types of enclosures we have and your options to do scent enrichment. So for our crates, we have a couple options. We can spray at the floor in front of them, okay? So it's sort of coming out in a spritz there, like you see that, okay? We could do more of a mist in front. We just don't wanna go right at the front. If there's a dog in there, we do not want to stick it close and spray inside. Many dogs are afraid of the spray bottle, but if there's not a dog inside, you can certainly spray the bedding in there. Just a couple spritzes though. Then in our main kennels, we would go front and back, and we would just do a light mist across the front. And maybe a light mist towards the bottom, up at the top. But again, not right in the kennel, unless there's not a dog in there. And you would go along the front side and then along the back side. Okay, and lastly, we'll do our side base. And we would just want to mist right in front. We can also aim at the wheels. And if there's no dog in there, again, we